Welcome to our tutorial on NJ.gov login. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of accessing your New Jersey government accounts online. Whether you're a resident, business owner, or government employee, logging into NJ.gov is essential for accessing various state services and resources. Let's dive in and explore how to log in step by step. First, open your browser and type www.nj.gov into the address bar to access the website. Click on the Login button located just below the logo on the website. If you have completed the steps, you are now on the login page. Enter your login ID and password into the appropriate fields and click on the Log In button. That's it. If you have forgotten your login ID or password, don't worry. You can easily resolve the issue using the links provided in this section. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll gain access to a variety of services and resources available through NJ.gov. This may include paying taxes, renewing licenses, accessing government forms, and more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates on navigating government websites and services. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with others who may benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing on NJ.gov.